Has this ever happened to you? What do you want?
I want your Gatorade!
My Gatorade?
Yes,
Why can't you get one from Fitch?
because I want yours.
Why do you want mine?
Give me now or I'll shoot.
Okay,
Thanks.
but
You have
it's
that.
but it's a stick.
Give it back to me! Here you
You put a stick to my head. It's not
Give
a
it back.
gun.
What?
That's a stick. It's not a
go.
gun.
Bam, 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 bam.
It's a stick.
Didn't work.
Why are you trying to shoot me with a stick?
I bought this for $105. I could steal
You
your
could have
food.
gotten one off the street. Give me my Gatorade. I ain't playing, fool. What he wanted was my Gatorade. It was a life-changing experience for me. He stuck me up with a stick, and I put out a gun, a knife gun. And he was scared, and I did get my Gatorade back. So if this has happened to you, ever, at all, please comment on this video, or send a video response. He tried to take my Gatorade.